How to remove black boxes on your Windows desktop icons. Hello guys, this is Atticus, and in today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix the black boxes that appear on your icons of your Windows. So let's get started. First, you'll need to open up Run. Simply, you can use your Windows R key, or you can go to the search bar and then search for Run. Now, after you open up Run, just type in local app data under these two percentage marks, like I did here, and hit on OK. After you do that, your files should be open up. Now, right there, you'll see the three dots. Tap on See More and tap on Options. Now, after you tap on those, you will see folder options. Now, go to View and make sure that you select Show Hidden Files. Tap on Apply and tap on OK. Now you can expand this and you should see something like icon cache. So you'll see icon cache right here. Tap on it and make sure that you delete icon cache. After you delete icon cache, simply restart your computer and your problem will get fixed. And it's that simple, guys. And that is all for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.